What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. But before we get started, I want to invite you to go ahead and get the digital playbook that has done for you emails, a list of over 100 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote. Also, a free course right here that'll show you step-by-step of how to get started, and a bunch of other cool free resources. So let's go ahead and get into the topic for today. So what we're going to be doing, like I said, is you're going to start by getting the Google Sheet or the digital playbook. Just go to digitalplaybook.com, go ahead and put your information in, and it'll take you to a page that allows you to sign up for a tool. Once you do, it'll take you to a thank you page that gives you access to this Google Sheet. So once you take care of this, once you take care of the Google Sheet, you're going to want to select a tool. So if we go over here, there is a list of over 100 plus AI tools that you are able to get paid to promote. I would choose with one of the ones in the top picks. I really like High Level and then Descript as well. That's what I actually use to edit, film, and record all my clips is Descript. And if you do not know how to become an affiliate for one of these tools, just click on the link and you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Normally all these tools will have a section in the footer of their website that'll say become an affiliate. What you need to do is go down here. You're going to want to click affiliate program, become an affiliate, and then it'll have you go ahead and sign up, and then it will get you an affiliate link that looks something along the lines of this. So once you got that, you're going to want to replicate content or just use the content that we give you in the digital playbook. So if you go over here, you'll see over IG Reels. This is a list of done for you reels already made that my team and I have took from proven creators and just replicated it and recreated it in here to give you access. So all you would need to do is to find a good one. Any of these really. Click on. So these simple videos like this are meant to drive engagement, comments, and shares. So you're going to get a lot of people commenting on this short Instagram. And when they do, you're going to send them to your link to your affiliate program or affiliate tool, whichever one you choose to promote. Now that wasn't the best video, but there are plenty of these that all talk about different AI tools. If you want it, just go ahead and grab it at Digital Playbook. Now going back, sending traffic. So that just comes from creating a bunch of videos or replicating using a bunch of videos that we have and then sending traffic to your link. Now, once you start sending traffic to your link, the most important thing you need to have is a back-end system that once you do, is able to send them emails and follow-ups every single day. Now, this is the software that I was talking about, Go High Level, and it allows you to put in emails, schedule out your content, and we give you all of this in that playbook. So once someone clicks on your link, puts in the information to get the free tool that you are promoting, they'll get put into an automation like this to where every single day they get sent emails. In the emails, you are obviously promoting your affiliate link, which is going to be right here. But notice how it has a custom value right here. We do this so I'm able to share with you this automation, and then all you have to do is plug in your affiliate link and then automatically populates into these highlighted text when you put in your affiliate link. How you get to that location is we're going to go back to the dashboard. You want to go down here to settings, custom values, new custom value, and you're going to just create something that looks like this, affiliate link, and then you're going to put your affiliate link right here. I'm not going to do that. Boom. And this is my affiliate link, and this is my custom value. And to be able to get all of this as far as the as far as the emails, and to get all of this imported into your own account, as far as all these emails, automations, all these sites, which are funnels, websites, you're going to need to go to the Google Sheet, aka the digital playbook, come over here and import snapshot. This is going to allow you to download everything into your account completely for free. So all you're going to do is hit yes, import now, and it's going to import into your account. Now, if you click on this and you don't have a Go High Level account, it's going to make you sign up for one. Good thing is, if you use the link in the Google Sheet, you get a 30-day free trial. The whole point of all of these tools put together is to help you guys start seeing results before that 30 days is up. Last thing, automate and repeat, baby. Automate and repeat. If you want personal help, Discord link should be in the description. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me as far as wanting help setting up with your account. If you want the digital playbook, go to digitalplaybook.com, leave a link in the description, subscribe, and happy money making.